Hi, Ecolab will be a digital workspace designed to support community-led projects aiming to solve society's biggest challenges.
Meet our team members shown here, made up of 5 individuals. Our team started a few weeks ago to develop ideas and thoughts for reshaping engineering, and we came up with a design idea called Ecolab.
Okay, so an overview of our approach. First of all, we're all based in different places. We're drawn by social justice, but currently not all of us able to participate. So we used the Google Jamboard, which enabled us to work asynchronously. We discussed collectively, and we decided that actually we wanted a platform or an environment that could help us to be able to contribute, no matter where we were, in a way that was inclusive and took into account any differences we may have in terms of language, ability, or location.
Okay, so the first element of the Ecolab design builds upon the latest research in collective intelligence. And that's a way of bringing together communities, identifying communities and making them work efficiently. And that's done in our approach via gamification to increase participation and engagement, but also using tailored model-based structures to overcome cultural and linguistic barriers, giving people a way to interact intuitively.
So tier 2 is all about crowdsourcing the skills required to achieve the project goal. Firstly, projects need to be broken down into specific deliverable user stories, as members will then be able to contribute to these deliverables without the long-term commitment towards the project team. And we believe that the compounded effect of these contributions is that the project will progress towards milestones. And finally, we think it's important to hold frequent retrospectives to ensure that the community is aligned with the project's process and can adapt the priorities in accordance with the changing needs of the project. This slide shows an example of the customized user story template we seek to use, which will ensure that it's easy to understand who the beneficiary is, what the action is, and what the value added is. By using this template for determining tasks, it will promote remote collaboration amongst the community.
Potential barriers have been considered in Ecolab's design from the start. Accessibility, for instance, all interfaces are low bandwidth and interactions are asynchronous, so they can be completed in the participants' own schedules. Equity is provided by allowing tailored interfaces to each user so they can interact with the tools in an intuitive way. In the same way that Ecolab crowdsources skills, you can also crowdsource finance to cover the cost of the platform. And a vital part of the project is measuring success and making that clear to everybody, so the project can evolve iteratively and improve in areas where it needs to.
There's 3 key benefits of Ecolab. First of all, is community-led. We're enabling communities to promote and upvote the projects they think are most relevant. Secondly, we're all about collecting engineers, helping them to find the challenges they can support and upskilling them using great examples of agile project management skills in projects on the ground.